Get ready to power up your electric vehicle the smart way with EMPORIA Pro Level 2 NACS EV Charger. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to install, operate, and optimize your EV charger effortlessly. About the product. The EMPORIA Pro Level 2 NACS EV Charger charges up to 48 amperes for fast, reliable EV charging without panel upgrades using PowerSmart technology. Schedule and automate charging to optimize cost and use surplus solar power. Monitor your whole home energy in real time to reduce waste and save on utility bills. Award-winning design delivers safe, UL-certified, GFCI protected performance for all EV models. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the EMPORIA Level 2 NACS EV Charger, NACS connector gun, mounting bracket, installation tools, gun cradle, user manual, product overview, EMPORIA Pro, NACS connector gun, power cable with NEMA 14 to 50 plug, charging cable, installation. First, remove the mounting bracket from the back of the charger and choose the location where the EV charger will be installed. Next, securely mount the bracket on the wall and hang the charger onto it. After that, install a holster on the wall using the wall anchor and screws to hold the charger cable. Finally, connect the NEMA plug to the power source and your EV charger will be ready for use. Connection setup. Download the EMPORIA app and pair it with your charger by selecting the EV charger option. Grant the app access and wait for it to find your charger's Bluetooth signal. Once detected, select it to begin the connection. The app will ask for location permission, allowing either precise or general location. After selecting your Wi-Fi network and entering your password, the app will connect to the EMPORIA cloud. You can name the charger and input your vehicle type. The app defaults to a 50 amp circuit for 40 amp continuous power delivery, but you can adjust the output if needed. For hardwiring, ensure the charger is on a 60 amp circuit for 48 amp delivery. Once setup is complete, the app checks for firmware updates and you're ready to start charging. The app also lets users set charging schedules. How to use. Unplug the vehicle charge port by pressing the button on the charge handle. Then open the charge port door by pressing and holding the trunk button on the key fob. Insert the charge handle into the vehicle charge port. Check the vehicle controls to verify charging. To remove the charge handle from the vehicle, press and hold the button on the handle to unlock the charge port. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.